Degree College, Sampaganagar, Dharma. Last class we have discussed about the problems based on capital reduction and the preparation of balance sheet after internal reconstruction. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬರೀ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನಿರ್ಮಾ Company Limited as on 31st 12/2002. Now they have given the balance sheet, liabilities and assets. Now 4,009% preference shares of rupees 100 each, fully paid up of rupees 4 lakh, 8,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each, rupees 8 lakh, and 6% debentures of rupees 2,40,000, and next bank loan of 11 lakh and current liability 2,10,000 rupees. Now goodwill 50,000, next freehold property 3,50,000, plant and machinery 6 lakh, stock 1,70,000, debtors 2,10,000, profit and loss account 3,80,000. Both side total 1,76,000 and 1,76,000. The following scheme of reconstruction was approved by the court and given the following information. The preference shares and equity shares reduced to 2 rupees, 80 and 50 in full, and second one, the debenture holder agrees to receive 2,000 preference shares in full satisfaction of their claim. E adjustment nanda extra banda. Now the goodwill account and the profit and loss account debit balance pay the amount fully written off, and next freehold property and the plant and machinery were depreciated by 20% and 10% respectively. Pass the necessary journal entries. Now journal entry pass ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ first we have to calculate the capital reduction amount. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿ reduced to ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now reduced to 2 and reduced by total face value how much? Both the shares, equity shares as well as preference shares 100. Now reduced to preference shares. First one is the preference shares 80 and the equity shares is 50. Now 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. Now reduced by amount and we have to consider the capital reduction calculation, and reduced to amount we have to consider the in balance sheet after internal reconstruction. Before internal reconstruction ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ನಮ್ಮದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ we have to calculate the capital reduction amount as well as passing the journal entries. After that we have to prepare the calculation of balance sheet. After that we have to prepare the balance sheet after internal reconstruction. Now first we have to calculate the calculation of capital reduction amount. Working note number 1. First working note, calculation of capital reduction. Here particulars and rupees. Now first of rupees 100 each, 4,000, 9% preference shares of rupees 100 each, fully paid up, and the preference shares reduced to 2 rupees be reduced to rupees how much? 80. Reduced to rupees 80. It means reduced by rupees. It means reduced by rupees 20. How? 100 minus 80 is equal to how much? 20. Now 4,000 into 20. 4 into 2, 8. 80,000 is the capital reduction amount of it, only preference shares. Preference shares the amount is 80,000. Next, second one. 8,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each, fully paid up, being reduced to rupees 50 each. It means therefore it means reduced by rupees 50 each. 100 minus 50 is equal to how much? 50. Now 8,000 into 50. 8,000 into 50 is equal to 8,000 into 50 is equal to 4 lakh rupees. 4 lakh 80,000. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. ದ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಅಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಟು ರಿಸೀವ್ 2,000 ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫುಲ್ satisfaction of their claims ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ we have to add the amount sacrificed by debenture holder. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಹೇಳಿ, add amount sacrificed by the debenture holder. Amount sacrificed the debenture holder. Now total debenture 6% debenture is equal to how much? 2,40,000. 6% debenture is equal to 2,40,000 less. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಲೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನ ಕ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. accepted 2,000 preference shares. He receives the 2,000 preference shares in full satisfaction of the claims. Accepted 2,000 preference shares. Now 2,000 into 2,000 into debenture holders total 2,40,000 ಐತಿ. and then accepted preference shares ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿರಲ್ಲ 2000 ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ, ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 80 is equal to 2000 into 80 is equal to how much, 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Total debenture amount minus accepted preference shares is equal to how much, 2,40,000 minus 1,60,000 is equal to 80,000 rupees. Now 4,80,000 plus 80,000 is equal to 5,60,000. 5,60,000 is the capital reduction amount. 5,60,000 is the capital reduction amount. I hope you will understood the calculation of capital reduction amount. ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4,009% preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid up B reduced to rupees 80,000 minus 80. It means reduced by rupees how much, 20. 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. 4,000 preference shares into 20 is equal to 80,000 is the preference shares capital reduction amount. Next, 8,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each fully paid up B reduced to rupees 50 each. It means reduced by rupees how much, 50 each. 100 minus 50 is equal to how much, 50. 8,000 into 50 is equal to 4 lakh rupees. Next, ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾಗ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ agrees to receive 2,000 preference shares in full satisfaction of their claim. Total amount sacrificed by the debenture holder, total 6% debenture how much, 2,40,000 and less accepted preference shares how much, 2,000 into reduced to preference shares amount is 80,000. 2,40,000 minus 1,60,000 is equal to 80,000. 4,80,000 plus 80,000 is the 5,60,000 is the capital reduction amount. Now we have to pass the journal entries. Next, journal entries in the books of Nirma Company Limited. Next, journal entries in the books of Nirma Company Limited. Particulars, LF, debit and credit. First, journal entry. Equity share capital account debited, preference share capital account debited to capital reduction amount. First, preference share capital account debited, equity share capital account debited to capital reduction account. Total capital reduction only these two shares is equal to 4,80,000. Now preference share capital is 80,000. 80,000 and equity share capital is equal to 4 lakh rupees. Narration being 4,009% preference shares of rupees 100 each reduced to rupees 80 each. It means reduced by rupees 20 each and 8,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each reduced to rupees how much 50 each. It means reduced by rupees how much 50 each. Next, journal entry. Second entry, 6% debenture account debited. How much? 2,40,000. 2. Preference share capital account. 2. Preference share capital account 2,000 into 80 is equal to how much? 1,60,000. 2. Capital reduction account. How much? Capital reduction account is equal to 80,000. Note 4,80,000 plus 80,000 is equal to 5,60,000 is the capital reduction, total capital reduction account. Now narration being issued 2,000 preference shares of rupees 80 each to the debenture holders in full satisfaction of the satisfaction of the claim. Now 6% debenture account debited to preferential capital to capital reduction account. 6% debenture account is equal to how much? 2,40,000 to preferential capital 1,02,000 into 80 is equal to 1,60,000 to capital reduction is equal to 80,000. Now last journal entry. Third one, last entry. Calculate working out number 1. How much? 5 lakh 60,000. 5 lakh 16,000. 2. Return of full amount goodwill, return of goodwill and profit and loss account, debit balance. 2. Goodwill account. How much? 50,000. Goodwill 50,000. 2. Profit and loss account 3,80,000. 3,80,000. Next, freehold property and the plant and machinery is depreciated by 20 and 10%. 2. Freehold property. How much? 20% of 3 lakh. 20% of 3,50,000 is equal to 70,000. Is equal to 70,000. Next, 2. Plant and machinery. 2. Plant and machinery is equal to 6 lakh. 6 lakh into 10% is equal to how much? 60,000. ನೋಡಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. 5,60,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 50,000. 5,60,000 ಮೈನಸ್ 50 ಮೈನಸ್ 3,80,000 ಮೈನಸ್ 70,000 ಮೈನಸ್ 60,000 ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ನಿಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನರೇಶನ್ being capital reduction amount is to be utilized for write off the goodwill, write-off of the goodwill, profit and loss account, debit balance and plant and machinery and then freehold property. Capital total capital reduction amount is 5,60,000. 2 goodwill 50,000. 2 profit and loss account 3,80,000. 2 freehold property 20% of 3,50,000 is equal to 70,000. 2 plant and machinery 6 lakh into 10% is equal to 60,000. Difference amount bantadre we have to transfer the capital reserve account. If they mention the patents or other assets, we have to transfer that amount in the requested asset. Being capital reduction amount is to be utilized for goodwill, patents, profit and loss account, debit balance, plant and machinery and the freehold property. I hope you will understood the concept, calculation of capital reduction and then preparation of journal entries. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು journal entry prepare ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ we have to discuss about the how to prepare the balance sheet after reconstruction. ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದಲ್ಲ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಡೇ.